Elevate your cooking with the MEATER. Plus, are you ready to revolutionize your kitchen? Meet the MEATER Plus, the smart wireless meat thermometer designed to deliver perfect results with ease, whether you're grilling, roasting, or smoking. Let's explore how this incredible kitchen gadget can transform your home cooking experience. Gone are the days of tangled wires. The MEATER Plus offers 100% wire-free Bluetooth connectivity with a range of up to 165 feet, letting you monitor your meal from anywhere in your home. Use the intuitive app to track the cooking process while relaxing with friends or prepping sides. The MEATER Plus boasts two innovative temperature sensors in one probe. These measure both internal meat temperatures, up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, and ambient grill or oven temperatures, up to 527 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring every meal is cooked to perfection. Dishwasher safe and stainless steel, it's built for effortless cleanup. The guided cook system takes the guesswork out of cooking. From steak to turkey, the app offers step-by-step instructions, custom alerts, and estimated cook times. Achieve restaurant-quality doneness every time while eliminating the stress of overcooking or undercooking. Wrapped in bamboo charger packaging, the MEATER Plus is as thoughtful as it is functional. Perfect for home chefs, BBQ fans, or holiday hosts, it's a gift that keeps on giving. Even better, it's holiday ready. Make your festive turkey or ham unforgettable. With over 44,000 glowing reviews and priced at just $79.95, the MEATER Plus is a must-have for every home chef. Ready to elevate your cooking game? Visit Amazon's MEATER Plus listing asterisk today and transform the way you cook. Don't wait. Precision and convenience are just a click away.